Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Vermilion Elementary School here in Vermilion, Ohio. Kindergartner through third graders today. And the focus was on the power of kindness. They have a huge kindness initiative here at the school and like a school-wide theme going on. Random acts of kindness, just a lot of things to promote being kind and to reinforce that part of what they're trying to accomplish here. They had brought me in to share my heart around this message of compassion, that we treat others like we treat our best friend. We see people for who they are on the inside first, like the shirt says here, one race human. We see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, and show them that unconditional love, no matter who they are, no matter their background, how they're born, what they're going through, that we kind of find that common ground and have that empathy for our fellow human beings. And it's cool, I'm right out in one of their hallways at the school here in front of their pledge, and it says, "I'm a proud sailor, the home of the sailors. I am respectful to others, I am responsible for myself, I am safe in my actions, and I'm here and I'm ready to learn." But the part about taking safe actions, treating people the way that you want to be treated, and being responsible for who you are, that no matter what we go through, the pain that we might experience, we can always choose to become healed people who heal people. That if we let that kindness fully enter our heart as big as our fist, we can turn that into a peace sign where one finger is ourself and the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat them, right? And show that love, and just keep being the change that Gandhi talks about, one of the famous peacemakers that lived before us. And like Dr. King always says, the time is always right to do what's right, and that's to show love to everybody around us. So that's this part of being respectful that I just truly appreciate, and what this whole school is really trying to focus on. Kids came up to me left and right. I got to stay for all the lunches too, and it was really inspiring. A couple of them said that they're starting a miracle club. One of the key parts of my message talks about the M on all of our palm, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, right? That we are able to see everybody around us as true miracles, but first and foremost that we see that in ourselves. And once we do see that, then we become the light to someone else's hearts and show them that they are good enough too. So to know that they're already starting to own it at a young age, it just gives me so much encouragement, so much vitality to keep doing what I'm doing. So thanks for touching my heart. You guys are so awesome, so beautiful. Never forget that. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.